welcome to my channel. Today is wash day and I'm about to pre-poo my hair. I have not washed my hair in over a month. As my current schedule goes for washing my hair, I do weekly co-washes or clay masks to cleanse my hair. I try to shampoo my hair using a shampoo that actually lathers at least once a month, every 4 weeks, if I can get it in. Alright, so clearly right here, I'm just separating my hair using my crocodile clips. I like these clips because they do hold a lot of hair. As you'll see, I'll only need 3 clips on my whole head. Okay, so first things first, I always make sure my hair is damp, wet, drenched, whatever, before I start detangling. I never detangle my hair when it's dry. When you detangle your hair dry, it can cause a lot of unnecessary breakage. I never really tried to detangle it dry, but I'm also not going to start now. Alright, so now I'm going to use my twisted aloe vera juice, which is great for moisturizing your hair. Aloe vera is amazing. If you don't know about it, you should definitely look it up. I'll also post some info about why you should use aloe vera in your hair down below, so make sure to check that out. So once my hair feels like it's ready to be detangled, I then use my Felecia Leatherwood detangling brush. This brush is amazing. I'm pretty sure if you're a natural, you have heard about it. If you haven't bought it yet, you should definitely go buy it. This brush really does just glide through your hair without pulling it, snagging it, or causing any unnecessary breakage. It fits in your hand perfectly, so you're not uncomfortable when trying to hold it. It really is one of the best, if not the best, detangling brush I've ever used. Alright, so I'm gonna just speed this process up. I am just gonna be doing the same thing on the rest of my hair, just spraying with water, spraying with my twisted aloe vera juice, detangling with my brush, twisting it, and then sectioning it off again, preparing for wash day. Just a little side note about this bottle. I don't know if you noticed, but like if you keep pumping it, pump, and then you let the spray handle go, it'll just keep spraying. Like, I just love this mister. So that is the end of that. I decided to show you guys a little bit of my shedding. Now keep in mind, I haven't done my hair in 2 weeks, so this is actually not that bad, I have to say so myself. I don't really know, honestly, if this is a lot of shedding, but to me this isn't a lot of shedding. If I haven't combed my hair in 2 weeks, this doesn't seem that bad, right?